In this video, we'll formally define a unit conversion and a unit ratio. We're asked, what is a unit conversion and what is a unit ratio? To start, a unit conversion is a systematic method for converting from one type of unit of measure to another. To give a few examples, one example would be convert 48 inches to yards. Another example would be convert 3 hours to seconds, or minutes, or some other unit, or days. These two examples involve time and distance. We could also have two-dimensional conversions, converting from one type of measuring area to another, or three-dimensional ones, one type of volume to another. We can also convert rates, and we can also convert between the English and metric system. Let's now define a unit ratio. Unit ratios are critical when doing unit conversions. And a unit ratio is a ratio where the numerator and denominator are quantities with units that are equal to each other. Let's look at a couple examples of unit ratios. Looking at ones we could use in the examples above, we would need something between yards and feet to get us then to feet and inches. So let's give a couple of those. We could write 1 yard over 3 feet. Or we could write 3 feet over 1 yard. And which we put in the numerator and which we put in the denominator will depend on the problem that we're doing. But what we see is that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, and 3 feet are equal to 1 yard. So we can make that fraction or ratio, and it's a unit ratio, meaning that it's equivalent to multiplying by 1 if we multiply by it. Other examples we could do 1 hour to 60 minutes. Or again, we could do 60 minutes to 1 hour.